we're going to convert fractions to decimals. So our fraction is 5/7. If we were going to do this longhand, we would write 7, the divide symbol, and 5. And what this really reads as is 5 divided by 7. But we're not going to actually do it that way. We're going to do it with a calculator. So when you're doing it with a calculator, you're actually going to put the number 5 into the calculator. You're going to hit the divide by button. Then you're going to hit the number 7. And our answer will be 0.7142857. Okay, now we're not actually going to put that all down as our answer. On your exam, it will tell you what to round to. So this is the 10th position. This is the 100th position. And this is the 1000th position. You don't tend to see it go up any higher than that for rounding. So, rounding rules. If the number is between 1 and 4, you are going to what we call round down, which means you're not going to change the number. Okay? If the number is between between 5 and 9, you're going to round up. So let's take a look at this in action. Okay? So let's say we want to round to the 10th position. What number is in the 10th position? 7 is in the 10th position. So what you are going to look at is one number to the right. And that number is a number 1. That fits here, okay, between 1 and 4, which means we are not going to change the 7. So if we were rounding to the nearest 10th, our answer would be 0.7. Now let's take a look at it instead. If we were rounding to the nearest 100th, okay, so the number in the 100th position is the number 1. If we were going to round to that, we would look one number to the right, and that is a 4. That is still between 1 and 4. So we are not going to change the 1. If we were rounding to the nearest 100th, our answer would be 0.71.